Hello, folks. This is Jamaican Jermaine. I'm at Mr. Nelson's garden. We're gonna do a quick interview of his garden. A quick little video. This man is unbelievable, yo. I don't know what this plant is, but it's just amazing. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is what he does. He does his whole garden. You know what I mean? He'll be out in a second. This is peach. Peach. This man planted his peach. Look at it. Peach. Peach. You know what I mean? It's just, look at that. It's amazing, man, And, he cures his tree. He does everything, you know what I mean? But there's so much stuff here. I'm not quite sure what some of the stuff is. But come on back with me and I'll show you guys some of the stuff. So I'm going in the backyard. I'm going to do some work with him real quick. This right here is strawberries. It's actually blossoming right now. I'll be back to eat some strawberries. This is strawberries. And
There have one pepper ready.
how long does this take to come? Like
You run right through the ear, right through the
you
winter.
go right even the winter?
Right in the come up,
Wow.
burn down and come back. And
This
we
is
reap a pepper
strawberry,
ready.
folks. Man, these strawberries are so sweet. It is amazing. All right, come inside, Nelson. Come on, man. And this is a scallion, folks. This man don't go to the store for scallion or thyme. This is his thyme. Scallion. He just come and get a fresh piece of scallion. Right.
Yeah.
He's
Fresh
making.
piece of basil,
Yes.
seasoned. for
This is
meat.
basil. Right? The man got every little thing. If you look at his garden, well manicured garden, look at that. Look at that. I don't know, when he find time, it's just amazing. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at this big fat scallion. Right? And we come over here. Can you tell us what is this?
Kale.
That's kale.
This is kale.
This is kale.
Oh,
This
wow.
is kale. This is tomato.
Tomato, yeah, these are
This,
coming
this
up.
is sugar bean,
So sugar bean is more like a lima bean.
lima bean,
Okay. And he has corn over
corn,
there.
sorrel.
Sorrel.
Which
Where?
one's the sorrel?
Where's the sorrel?
All of these are red.
Sorrel, the
Everything
big
you
one
see.
is sorrel. And
Everything you see.
these are callaloo, like spinach. cousin.
Callaloo.
So you
callaloo
found
and
sorrel
sorrel.
too. So the sorrel have to come before it get cold, though, right? Wow, wow, wow.
Corn.
Corn. Look at this.
Tomato.
Man. I gotta come back and do this garden when
What's
this
this?
garden is
Look.
up.
Look at this scallion.
Onion. It's onion.
That's
a scallion.
Scallion.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh my God. That is amazing, man.
Look. Tomato.
Yeah,
Tomato.
tomato. This one actually started to bear. If you look at it,
And actually it's a beer.
it's bearing. Look at it. Tomato over there. It's coming up. It started to blossom too. There go the blossoms.
Look.
Now what is this right here?
Cucumber.
That's cucumber.
Cucumber.
Okay, wow.
Look.
So that's why cucumber
Look,
vine.
tomato.
It's tomato.
Look.
You see it? Yeah, and at
Look.
the bottom. You see that? It's like a salad tomato. I forgot what you call
Look
those.
callaloo.
Okay, what is that plant right there? That plant.
Bean.
That's a bean?
Lima bean.
That's a lima bean too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Corn.
Corn. Is that a peach tree?
No, I don't know.
It's just a normal tree.
Yeah. But right along, you see,
So what is this right here?
rosemary.
That's oh my God, man! Look at that. That's rosemary.
Cook with that.
Fresh. So this man can come to his garden and get whatever he wants to cook, whatever he wants to put in his stuff. He's doing jerk chicken. He's cool.
Oh.
And this is pepper, like a bell pepper. You can get. I don't know if it's red or green bell pepper, but I know this is bell pepper because I planted this myself back in Jamaica. That looked like a piece of sugar cane. I can tell you all that. That's a
Which
sugar
one?
cane,
Right
right here. That's a sugar cane.
okay.
That I know, right there. That's a
Okay.
sugar cane. And all this is callaloo, you know what I mean, ironic. See, I know it's a bell pepper. Right here, folks, it's bell pepper. I told y'all. It's bell pepper. And, so this man can come in his garden and just get whatever he wants. Isn't that amazing? Going to the store and buying all this shit.
Self-sufficient.
Buying all this shit. Yes, And, sorrel, more sorrel, callaloo. This is another peach tree. And as you can see here, prune his tree so his tree doesn't get too tall. You know what I mean? I have to come back and get some of these stuff. We keep coming. This is some more kale right here. Some more, your bell peppers. We're gonna come back when everything is up and fresh and running. You know what I mean? And this is a cabbage.
Yeah.
That's cabbage, right? I know that's cabbage. Yeah. So the cabbage is about to come up. And there's corn going over there. But this is something I want to show you folks. Really, really good.
Look.
Come over here with me, baby.
Callaloo.
Callaloo.
Look at this. He cuts from this. I think he probably ate like 6 times from this already, and he keeps on springing back.
Yesterday.
You see how the root is
Yesterday.
fat?
I cut from this 5 times.
You hear that?
Yeah.
5 times already, and it's not done. So it's gonna keep on springing up. He's gonna cut, have dinner. It's gonna spring back again, have dinner. Look at this, tomato blossoming. This is amazing, folks. This is breathtaking. Now, this is the thing I really want to show you all. This is yam, the Jamaican yam. The yam they say that make Usain Bolt, you know what I mean, run so fast. It's underground.
1, 2, 3.
It's underground, and it comes up on a vine. So this is it. It's underground, and it's a tuber. And it comes up up from underground. And this man is just like he's back in Jamaica, just living the life. Just look at it. We have got to come back and finish this garden when this garden. Matter of fact, let's go with this side. We got a few more stuff over here. This man
Beautiful grass.
is just unbelievable. Now, Mr. Nelson, you got to explain this side to us, because this is another breathtaking issue. Now, what is this right here?
Pumpkin.
Oh, that's a pumpkin. If y'all don't know, that's how a pumpkin comes. It's on
Pumpkin.
a vine, and it's gonna run.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers and pumpkin. Wow. Now, what is this right here?
This is a grape harbor.
Oh, so you plant grapes too?
See the grape here.
The heck? Oh, folks, grape is even there. Look at
Look at the
it.
grape.
Look at it. There's grapes. This man is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Just look at it.
Come look. Come look.
Look at it. Grapes. Look at
grape.
it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. I've got to come back. I've got to come back.
All right, come.
No, this is not. So the grape is planted here, and it grows up on the vine, and it goes up.
Come.
It's amazing. Look at this.
Come over here, miss. Cucumbers and corn.
Corner the edges.
Okay.
Baby, this man will have to
Hold
leave
on.
his
So
house.
originally it's planted here, and then you just
And
lift it up
spread
over.
Yeah.
Okay.
It goes up and it forms it.
All right, come on here tonight. Raspberry.
Oh.
Raspberry. Raspberry. Oh my God. Doesn't the animals eat your stuff, sir? The animals come and bother
The
you?
bird them.
Bird. So this man got strawberry, raspberry. Oh my God. We've got to come back. Mr. Nelson, is this mint?
Yeah, mint.
This is mint that can make your tea.
I thought it
folks.
looked familiar.
Yeah.
This is mint that
I
can
love
make
mint
your tea.
tea.
This is mint.
And this is mint that some people use for to decorate the dessert.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Hey, when I go carry some PR, man.
Yes, I will.
Cut some and you dry it, man. I want nice tea this time.
Yes.
Put ginger in it.
Smell it, smell it.
I know he did. He let me smell it. It smells
my
great.
God.
Put ginger in it. You see every man, me get up.
Is this
I
what?
got something
this
me
we
broke
call
and smell now.
color mint of Jamaica?
No.
Another one that we call color mint. Oh my God.
And this is it. Scallion.
So this is scallion. So folks, I never knew that scallion actually blossom.
Oh,
Actually
really?
have seeds and
Oh, wow.
blossom. So if y'all didn't know, scallion actually have seeds and blossom. What is this plant right here?
This is something. I don't know the name. Jenny give it out there.
Yeah, but it's a flower though.
Flower.
Folks, this man for the entire summer, he's gonna have different stuff popping up. So we're gonna be back, all right? So from my garden to Mr. Nell garden, see you guys later.
All right,